So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to be doing a protective style. I'm super excited because this will be the first protective style that I do. So it has to be, you know, a good one. So today we are going to be doing some crochets. Crochet has become one of my favorite protective styles now because it's so easy. Like, I wish life could be as easy as putting crochets in. And if you know your stuff, you can make it look pretty good. You know, not like the scary looking crochets. Okay, so yeah, so first let me show you the hair I'm going to be using. This is not the hair that I had planned on using. I just want y'all to know that this is going to be this is going to be a experiment for me because I've never used this hair before. I bought two colors. I got a 1 and a T1B/30. See, that just looks bad to me. Like, why on the cover like that with them looking like that? Like, they don't need to look like that. I'm not gonna let my hair look like that. So, starting this endeavor earlier today, I was thinking I was gonna go over the top, but I think I'm just gonna keep it simple because I'm tired. I've been working all day. I'm tired and I have to pack still and I have a lot of stuff I gotta do, so I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to leave out, I'm gonna put individual crochets, I'm gonna do 2 rows across the front of my hair. So it's gonna be a row right here and a row right here, and then I'm just gonna roll the back, just, you know, crochet them in regular style. I'm not gonna do the most back there because this is gonna be a lot of work on its own and I'm tired. So to get started, I'm going to do the first row. Show you guys one more time in case I didn't get the best angle, and then I'm gonna turn the camera off, charge my battery, and I'll come back when I have the rest of the front done. So look at parting, I don't know. This. It gets so small. It's so tiny. I like my crochets to look, you know, somewhat like my real hair. You know, I don't want that silky looking stuff. It don't look right to me. I think I'm gonna like these. See, look at that. I was all cranky and mad. I forgot to say that we need this crochet hook. Through. Hook on the lock. Gently. Okay, that doesn't want to cooperate. I'm just trying to see again. Oh, come on. What are you doing? Thank you. Sheesh. Is my hair still attached? That was so difficult. There we go. Braid. Go in the thread. Pull through. So now we are going to insert our crochet needle into the hollow part of the thread, shimmy it up. Okay. Your braid and slide it through. Now that one is hiding in the cocoon. That my camera's like, girl, you need to charge my battery. So I'm gonna end right here, this part right here. I'm going to do this to the rest of the front and the second row, and then I will come back when I'm corn rolling. Hopefully my battery will be nice and charged by then. Alright, so back, I did my 2 rows. They're not perfect. Like there's parts where my hair is just too long and it's sticking out. And I should have got longer ones, but I'm gonna probably conceal that with some accessories. So now I'm going to start doing the cornrows. So for that, I think I'm gonna part it.
I should stay away from you. We should all stay away from each other.
Oh, we should stick together. We stick together.
finished braiding. This is my braid pattern. It's not the best, but you gotta do what gets the job done. And so now I'm going to sew down this little piece that's left of my hair. So this is how much I have so far. Just gonna crochet the rest and come back when I'm almost done. Okay guys, at this point I'm tired. And I'm done for now. This is what it's looking like. Time for the front. Add some accessories to conceal it, and I will come back. Alright guys, I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope it encouraged you to try to do this on your own. Super easy, kind of takes a minute to get the hang of, you know, the individual part, but once you get that down, the back is easy. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions, leave them down below. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next one.